In this video, I'm really excited because we're going to be talking about what to make in 2025. So all of my ideas fall into three main categories: clothing, home, and baby. We're going to start with clothing, which is the one I'm most excited about. Now, my favorite ever pastime is flicking through designer websites and tapping on that knitwear tab and gathering inspiration, thinking I can make that, I can make that, I can make that. But you can't make them all, dear. You won't want to make them all. And you know, sometimes we have to just rein it in. And I found this really nice Ganni top for crocheting in the spring. It's about £200, which is actually quite cheap really, but not for what we're gonna do. We're gonna make it for like pennies. So that's really, really nice that we can do that. I'm just really excited about making this. How nice to have like a knit crochet top for spring. So that's definitely on my radar to make in spring. I'm going to make one in a similar colour with breathable cotton. So that's going to be really nice to make and to wear. Now, I do have a lot of neutral yarn in my stash, and I've seen a lot of these jumpers about where it's like different textures on different rows. And I think actually I could make, Actually got this gigantic ball of 400-gram yarn, which I could use as like the base. And then I'm like, oh, I've got loads of neutrals really. I've got like this, got this one. I could add a little bit chunky, but I'm probably not going to do that. I'm probably going to add this Alpaca blaze from Hobby, which I love already. I've already made a hat of this. This is just like DK and Alpaca blaze, and it's so cute. I just made that on the Centro knitting machine at the weekend, like you do. Also, I'm really intrigued by, you know, like the tops or cardigans that like tie up in the middle. You have like 3 ties down there. Sometimes you'll have bows, or sometimes it can just be like a string or a piece of like a chain. That is such a good idea, especially for the spring. And also you don't need to worry about buttons. So what's not to like about those? Love, love, love this look. And also I can use, I have a load of these as well, which I was like, oh, I'm definitely going to make some sort of burgundy thing, but I've already made a burgundy cardigan. And now with this alpaca silk brushed drop, what have I made here? Oh, this is kind of a swatch. There we go. But I'm thinking like that side for the cardigan, maybe. And then we could put like bows in the middle. Something like that would be really pretty. Last summer, I did a tutorial of Taylor Swift's crochet dress, and it was a massive hit. A lot of other people did it as well. I actually have a step-by-step tutorial, which I'll link here for you. But not everyone likes those sort of colours, and it's a bit of an arse to keep on changing colour. So I'm thinking maybe you could do it more simply with one colour, maybe black. I'm thinking like a black beach cover up, that type of thing. Right, next up, I have the materials to make a black bag with this like t-shirt yarn, and I have a zip to go with it somewhere. I was just looking for it, but I can't find it. I've already made a red bag for my daughter. I'll link the video here, but you guys didn't really seem to love it that much. I think it was really good because it's just like, well, it's really easy anyway. It's just like a strip of single crochet and then you attach a chain. And it looks really good. She absolutely loves it. Maybe we'll do like a black one for adults. Moving on to home. The next one I need to take you upstairs for. It's quite embarrassing, but I'm going to bring it into the light. So here it is. I bought this cushion to make a cover with a few years ago, and it's been hanging around my daughter's room. Poor girl, on her chair she's just got like a bare, horrible cushion that needs a cover, and I'm going to make a cover for it. So I'm thinking crocheting the round. I just think this is so sad. So poor little thing, I need to make her a nice cushion cover for this. I don't know if you've noticed, but in all my videos there's this beautiful plant behind me. It doesn't have a planter, it doesn't have anything but this disgustingly looking terracotta coloured plastic. And I want to change that. I have been looking around for a plant pot. I've been looking around for a planter for it, and I just can't find one that looks good enough. I've been to home stores everywhere, but now I'm thinking like maybe I could make one. But it has to be right, otherwise I'll be like, nah, I don't like that, I'll just chuck it out. There is a little story behind this plant. When it was younger, I did make, actually, out of this yarn, is it out of that? Yeah, this. I actually made a planter for it out of this, but it just grew too big. So now I need to move on and make a new planter for my lovely plant. I don't think this needs much explanation. It's a lampshade, something I wanted to make a while ago, and obviously I bought this frame from eBay for like $10.99 or something. Have I made the crochet lampshade? No. Do I really want to make it? Yes. I would love to create a crochet lampshade. I don't want it to look like too chintzy. I want it to look really nice. Let me know if you see any ideas. I'm gonna just pop a couple of ideas up here that look really nice, because the thing is, all you'd need is just a repeating stitch, and then you could just attach it to the lampshade. So yeah, I'm actually really excited about this. This is one of my exciting ideas that I haven't actually done. And I do need a new lampshade in my bedroom as well. I really want to do a crochet wall hanging. I love the Bauhaus style look with like the, I don't know what it is, but like a rainbow maybe, or like a thin, slim rainbow. And I've got I have loads of like this Utopia Crafts cotton yarn I bought to do exactly this. But I haven't done it, have I? Haven't done it at all. But I've got loads of this, and I thought that would make a really, really nice wall hanging. And I need loads of wall hanging. I need more wall art in my home. And I'm thinking like to do that like thing, and then I'd do like pattern for it. Maybe on the side it would be like, I don't know, a little sun with orange or something. Probably the most embarrassing thing of all, my card holder, which I made a while ago, and it's just ruined. It's just worse for wear. Why did I make it in white? I do not know. But I love it so much, and I think that I really want to make a similar one, but maybe with like leather yarn. I didn't know whether to put it in home, or it's not really home, it's not clothes. Don't even look at this anymore. I have this raffia yarn from Wool and the Gang. I love it so much. I love crocheting with different textures, and I did make one of these flower coasters with it, or I made a set of flower coasters. I'll link the video for you here if you want to see that video. I was like, oh, these won't last. They have lasted. They really have lasted, so I'm really proud of that. I want to make with this now. It's not even crochet, it's like, I just want to plait them together and then make like those big placemats that you see in the shops. I also have a lovely idea for a raffia bag as well in the summer. I don't want to make it too hard, so I'm just going to do like a probably envelope bag or something like that, but that would be really nice just to take out in the summer, on a summer evening with a nice dress and a raffia bag. Moving on to baby. Baby stuff is so popular with you guys for gifts. Now, I am not on the verge of having a baby anytime soon. I've got my 2 and I'm fine with that, so I don't need any more. But my friends are having babies. Lots of other people in the world are having babies, and it's so nice to celebrate that. So I'm going to be doing baby blankets, booties, things for nurseries, maybe like a little cardigan with a name on the back. Oh my God, you love that. You went crazy for a crochet name on the back of a little sweater. So maybe I could do the sweater and the name, I don't know, but you absolutely love that. So that's a really good idea to do again as well. There's so many ideas, and like every day I'll go out and be like, oh, I want to make that, oh, I want to make that. And there's no time, especially when I've got 2 kids. So I am so pleased I've got all this out. I feel really good now. And I really recommend that you do this. Just sit down with a notebook and write out what you want to make this year, what you've thought of making but you never have, and just get it out there, because then it will have more chance of coming into the world and manifesting itself. Please comment below with anything that you would like me to make. If you do like the idea of making a baby blanket as a gift, then I will leave a video here for you, and I'll see you there.